Hi guys, today we will learn basic hair straightening process, and as you can see here is the subject's hair before. In this video, the tools that we will use are hair comb and hair clip, a straightening brush, and a hair straightener. We first want to cover the shoulders with a towel and organize the hair. Then we comb, part the hair, and clip the hair into 3 different sections, which are the left and right side and the back side. We then start straightening the hair from the back section, starting from the bottom, incrementally moving towards the top. And we will continue to straighten layer by layer. Take notes of the technique that the fellow instructor has done. And after the back section has been straightened, straighten both side sections, which are the left and the right side. After the hair has been straightened, here we can see the subject's hair after result. Hopefully, you will be able to straighten hair more professionally. Thank you!